So is the Bauer the same as the ApexForge? If we look at the cases here, well, yeah, they're almost identical. On the inside, you have a spot for the tool. Chargers are a little bit different. Bauer's running the micro and Apex is using the round style. Both have small assortment kits, with the Apex coming with a little more in that regard, and a quick change chuck you can install. Grinding shields look to be the same. So overall, case-wise, accessory-wise, they're pretty close, with the Apex coming with a little more accessories. But as you can see, yeah, pretty much the same manufacturer on the cases. Build construction, well, the Bauer is a little bit taller. The chuck holder is the same. The on-off switch is pretty much the same, just a little bit more of a tail on this button. Battery indicator is the same. Speed setting is the same with the same buttons. So if we look at the cutting performance, they're the same. But let's go ahead and take them apart. Let's see if they are internally identical. Okay, now we do have some differences here. You can see circuitry there is definitely different. Motors are identical. RS-390. Let's go ahead and cut this plastic off here and see if the batteries are identical. So that's interesting that the Bauer here is running High-Star 18650-2000s, while the Apex has SunPower 18650-2000. So overall, quite interesting. Almost the same, but not quite. Circuitry has got to be the biggest difference. You know, there's some minor differences in these housings, but other than that, battery brand difference, but the same size, cell, and capacity. So if you haven't seen my video on this, performance-wise, I put this just above the smaller rotary tools and, well, below the normal cordless ones like the Dremel 8220, 8240. So if you're looking for something to do grinding, I don't recommend either one of these. That's something you're going to look at the M12 or one of those Dremels. That being said, this does offer a nice price point if you're looking for something to do polishing, sanding, engraving, something like that, because this is around $40 to $50 versus $100 and up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on another one.